Hello family, hello friends. I have this beautiful 2015 BMW 328i, one owner, and let me tell you, in perfect condition. All right, as you can hear, I have the engine running. I just did a complete tune-up. We just replaced the turbo as well, so then you don't have any issue at all right? And of course, no rust at all right? This is a beautiful car for your son, daughter, so that means your graduating children. Original color, original paint. Like I said, one owner. Family, the reason I am doing this video is because I know some of you are coming from far away. So I just want to make sure that what are you going to find as soon as you get to my home or office. And let me tell you, this is a Michelin tire, good brand, but have to replace the tires, okay? Original color, beautiful, shiny. I'm sorry, had been in the car garage. Beautiful interior. And I can tell you, perfect condition as well. All right. And believe me, everything is working on this one. Everything works. It's 4-cylinder. Easy, you can get 30 miles per gallon, easy. There you go. Nice, very, very nice. Again, this is a 2015, original rims, and you can see very, very clean as well, the interior. You need to replace the forte. I'm sorry, I'm keep hitting the video button. My telephone is 407-738-0436, 407-738-0436. You can text me, you can call me for any question, okay? I am asking $9,900 for this vehicle, or better offer. And worth the money, all right? Shiny, shiny, shiny. Very, very nice, all right? We are going to do a run test very quick, so then you can hear how it's shifting. All right, beautiful interior, and as a matter of fact, I love the color, the combination blue with tan. I really like it. I am in south of Kissimmee. You are more than welcome to come anytime. Okay. All right, so let me pick up my dot right there, so then we can have a run test. I'll be back. All right, family, I am back. This is my 2015 BMW 328i, and let me show you what is working, what is not. Let's start with the power window, passenger side, working perfect. Brand new tints, as a matter of fact, okay, legally. All right, working perfect. Now let me try the power lock right here. Working perfect. Over here, working perfect. Now let's try the power mirror right here. Okay, let's go back again. Working perfect. Now let's try the driver's side power window. Working as well. This one over here. Nice. Now let's try the power lock. Let me change my hand, and right here. And you can see, you can control whatever you want to control over here, the audio, the vehicle, when you need the next maintenance, everything. And I really like it, okay? And then as you can see, there's no check engine light at all, just the gasoline, the temperature, which is good. And then this symbol is because I have the door open. I'm going to close soon, and I'm going to put my seat belt for the run test. And this vehicle has 200,000 miles, 223, and it is highway mileage. And as soon as you drive the vehicle, you are going to be with me. This is highway mileage all the time. Been traveling from state of Florida to Georgia too often. There was an executive vehicle. Okay. All right. So let me put this in pause, and I'll be back. Thank you. All right, family, I am back. So let's go to have the run test. And I have my co-pilot, Eden, right here. All right, so let me just go out of my neighborhood, and we are going to be out for a second. Oh, as a matter of fact, radio worked as excellent. All right, very, very nice sound system. Wow, this is a BMW. It's not a Toyota, okay? Remember, BMW, this one is a rear wheel drive, okay? So I love vehicle with rear wheel drive. That's old school, and for me, it's more steady. That's my opinion right now. And I am receiving a lot of miles per gallon on this one. All right, family, I'm going to be quiet for a second. I'm going to just to accelerate the vehicle so then you can hear, and I hope you can hear. Let me put the air conditioner just a little bit lower. All right, so let me check for traffic. 1 second. There's a traffic coming right now, and here we go. Excellent. And let me press the brake, and work perfect. Let me tell you, it's not pulling to the right, it's not pulling to the left. Now we are going all the way to the end so that we can go and turn around and check the cruise control for you. So this is a vehicle that the only you have to spend money is in tires. If you are worried about tires, just give me another $100 and I'm going to put you brand new tires, the one that come with the factory. So it's not expensive. For me, it's not expensive. Maybe for you, but if you give me another $100, I'm going to take care of you, okay, with the brand new tires, okay? So then it's something that you don't have to worry about to spend any extra money after the purchase, okay? Okay, I got the cruise control on already. So let's try. There's some traffic, but let's try now. We have to go over 30 miles in order to connect the cruise control. Okay, so here we go. Okay, we are 25, 40, set. Okay, it's running at 42 more or less. I'm not pressing the pedal, see? And again, 42. And believe me, it's so quiet. The tire has some sound because it needs to be replaced. But this is a vehicle that you are going to be so happy for your children, for yourself. If you want to drive with style, this is something that you need to think about it. I am a 6-foot person and I feel very comfortable driving this vehicle, okay? 407-738-0436. 407-738-0436. You can text me, you can call me at any time. And like I said, $9,995. If you give me another $100, I put you brand new tires. And I am south of Kissimmee. And 407-738-0436. Take care, my friend. Bye-bye.